Install Retail Server Demonstration. In this demo, we will look into the steps for installation of Retail Server. Start Microsoft Dynamics AX setup. Under Install, select Microsoft Dynamics AX components. Click Next. Keep the selection of Add or Modify Components and click Next. On the Select Components page, under Retail Components, select Retail Server and then click Next. Verify that all prerequisites have been met and then click Next. On the Configure Retail Server page, enter the configuration information to install Retail Server. Configure Retail Server checkbox. For standard installation and configuration, ensure the Configure Retail Server checkbox is enabled. If you wish to bypass the configuration screen and perform a manual or advanced install, you can disable the Configure Retail Server option. Application name. This will be the identifier used to identify the Retail Server web application. Enter a unique application name and website name combination. Website name. This will be the folder to which the Retail Server web application is deployed. Each web application within a website needs to have a unique name. You may add multiple web applications to the same website or create unique websites for each application. App pool name. This will be used to assign the Retail Server web application to an application pool. Username. This will be the username under which the specified application pool will run. This needs to be in the domain/username format. Password. Specify the account password. HTTP port. Specify an HTTP port on which the web application will listen for connections. Verify that the port you specified is not already bound to a different website. HTTPS port. Specify an optional HTTPS port on which the web application should listen for secure connections. As before, you can optionally verify that the port you specified here is not already bound to a different website. SSL certificate thumbprint. If you specify an HTTPS port, you will also need to specify the certificate thumbprint of an SSL certificate that you have already installed on the computer. Copy-paste the SSL thumbprint from the previously created certificate above. Click Next to proceed to the next configuration screen. On the next screen, specify the channel database server and the database name that this instance of Retail Server would use. Database server. The computer where the channel database server has been deployed will be specified here. Database name. The name of the channel database will be specified here. Click Next. Verify that all prerequisites have been met. Click Next. Click Next to click Install to install the selected components. In case of Retail Server, Retail Salt utility will also be installed if it is not already installed. As can be seen, the setup was successfully completed and Retail Server has been installed. Click Finish